Ten-Tec set out to design an HF amateur transceiver with the very best receiver performance achievable, selecting from every available circuit technology. Ten-Tec made use of the latest technology, including leading-edge concepts, as well as tried and true time-proven techniques. The result is the Omni VI, a culmination of Ten-Tec's 20 years of engineering expertise and a search for perfection in HF radio design. This transceiver was designed to meet the specific needs of the most demanding operators. Manufactured entirely in Tennessee, the Omni VI incorporates proven features from its predecessor, the Omni V, with new features and technologies developed in response to recommendations from Omni V owners, and a separate panel of accomplished DXers and contesters. Let's take the Omni VI for a test drive and show you some of the exciting features. The rig is powered by 12 volts DC and is shown here with the optional model 961 AC power supply and speaker connected. The Omni VI powers up on the same frequency it was on when it was last used. The rig also remembers your last mode and filter selection. Let's tune around and see what's on the band. The Omni VI is unlike any other modern high-performance transceiver. Crystal mixing was chosen for the local oscillator circuits because it provides the very best phase noise performance of all modern receiver technologies. There's nothing on the market at any price that matches it. You'll receive weak signals under the worst band conditions, signals the competition can't hear. Phase noise is essentially eliminated as a factor in receiver performance. This allows for maximum user benefit from the Omni VI's 100 dB dynamic range, even when listening to strong interfering stations. The Omni VI has several other powerful features to help reduce interference from even the closest unwanted signals. Superior receive selectivity is achieved by cascading crystal filters in both IFs for sharper skirt selectivity and better ultimate rejection of signals outside the passband. The standard rig is supplied with a 2.4 kHz 8-pole filter in both the 6.3 MHz and 9 MHz IFs, providing a minimum of 16 poles of filtering, compared to many rigs with only 8. In addition, you may customize the filtering to best fit your operating needs, adding up to 3 accessory filters in the 6.3 MHz IF and 1 narrow filter in the 9 MHz IF. This means that the Omni VI can provide up to 24 poles of cascaded filtering. It's often a real challenge to operate sideband in the crowded 20, 40, and 75 meter bands. Using the latest digital signal processing techniques, the Omni VI incorporates a revolutionary automatic notch filter to instantly eliminate interfering carriers. Thanks for your call. Signal sounds great this morning. How's the weather out there in Texas?
Well, it's overcast and raining, a little bit on the chilly side, but it's a good day for radio work. Over.
Sorry, Rick, just had somebody else come on frequency and cover you up. Stand by while I turn on the automatic notch filter. KE5XY from KC3NF. You should be in the clear now. Try it again.
KC3NF, KE5XY. Well, the weather here is overcast and raining and a little on the chilly side, but it's still a good day.
There are 3 other helpful features for sideband operation. The Vox is a real breakthrough. It is microprocessor derived and the smoothest ever. Users who historically dislike Vox are using this mode for the first time. The Omni VI also has a built-in adjustable speech processor. 2 AGC responses are also at your fingertips. The Omni VI has the fastest microprocessor ever used in a Ten-Tec transceiver. Running at 20 MHz, it provides the digital horsepower required for the extensive list of built-in digital features. Unlike most rigs, all adjustments are at your fingertips on the front panel. The powerful microprocessor allowed us to eliminate the inconvenience of access panels and rear panel controls for lesser used functions. There are 4 ways to change frequencies as you tune the bands. Our heavy die-cast knob feels silky smooth as it tunes at 5 kHz per revolution. Knob tension is adjustable to get just the right feel. The up-down arrows tune in 100 kHz steps to move more quickly within a single ham band. You may enter the exact frequency directly on the keypad for your favorite schedule or net. You can use the single button band switch to hop from one band to another. These band buttons also control the band stacking registers, allowing you to quickly jump back and forth between 2 frequencies on the same band. Ten-Tec's reputation for CW operation is legendary. The Omni VI continues the tradition and adds 2 new features made possible by the built-in DSP technology. A DSP CW filter reduces fatigue by eliminating higher frequency noise and interference when in CW mode. You select the amount of low-pass filtering from 1400 to 600 Hz in 5 steps. Most rigs have a fixed 700 Hz CW transmit offset. The Omni VI is adjustable from 400 to 990 Hz, and the side tone automatically tracks it. This and the CW spot are excellent tools for breaking through a DX pilot. There are several other convenient features for the CW operator. Lightning-fast QSK at better than 45 words per minute. Slow QSK with adjustable delay. Iambic keyer, adjustable 8 to 50 words per minute, type A or B, and adjustable weighting. Digital modes like RTTY and AmTOR are one of the fastest growing areas in ham radio. The Omni VI was specifically designed to meet the unique demands of these modes. You may run either true FSK or AFSK with all the necessary connections readily available on the rear panel. The large heatsink on the final amplifier helps provide 100 watts output at 100% duty cycle for the busy RTTY operator. There's no need to run at reduced power with an Omni. The Ten-Tec final amplifiers are so rugged they don't require SWR foldback like most radios. An optional 500 Hz RTTY AmTOR filter is available with the proper center frequency to eliminate the need to reset the passband tuning control. AmTOR requires a transceiver that is extremely stable. The Omni VI uses a high stability crystal in the time base oscillator, placing it in an oven and then phase locking the individual band crystals to this incredibly stable reference. In fact, the Omni VI is the most stable crystal mixed rig ever offered to the amateur community. AmTOR, with its inherent error correction, requires the transceiver to switch rapidly back and forth between transmit and receive. The Omni VI is ideal with a lightning-fast 20 millisecond receive recovery time. A growing number of hams are linking a personal computer to their HF rig to assist with logging, contesting, and even remotely controlling many transceiver functions. Called Sport for serial port operation of receive and transmit, it is an enhanced high-speed interface. Pick your speed, 1200 to 19,200 baud for minimum wait time. 2 outputs, RS-232 and 2-line serial. Enhanced command set. Compatible with most major software packages. The Omni VI has a revolutionary new capability, unlike any other transceiver. Each individual operator may tailor the rig's operation to match personal preferences right from the keypad. Factory settings let a new owner use the rig immediately, even without knowledge of this capability. As you become more familiar, the User Options menu lets you customize the following features. These features include 10-minute ID timer, DSP low-pass filter, baud rate for PC interface, matrix mode for PC interface, ID number for PC interface, frequency entry priority, keypad enunciators, clock, external linear relay, iambic keyer type A or B, band change preference, and offset display preference. The Omni VI includes the usual complement of features you expect in a high-performance transceiver. 100 memories and 4 ways to use them. Adjustable display intensity, built-in FM, RIT and XIT, passband tuning, dual VFOs, and auxiliary antenna input with front panel switch. 2 unique optional accessories are available for the Omni VI. The Model 301 remote tuning knob lets you sit back in your chair and leisurely tune across the band. The Model 257 voice synthesizer announces the frequency indicated on the main display at the touch of a button. We think you'll agree the Ten-Tec Omni VI is a high-performance HF transceiver designed to meet the needs of even the most demanding operators. Superior receiver performance, coupled with the latest microprocessor features and digital signal processing, provides the active ham with the competitive edge to master the HF bands. America's best amateur radios from Ten-Tec. To find out more about the Omni VI or any of our other exciting products, contact us at 1-800-833-7373 or write for our free catalog.